Hello everyone, I'm Alexandros with Miss Andrea, and let's get started on our new bachata routine. Start off with a half basic. 1, 2, 3. Ladies, left hand up. Guys, lift with your right. And then back, helicopter. 5, 6, 7. Grab again. Repeat on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Grab the hand. And now, go to your right, guys, and roll the lady in. 5, 6, 7. Switch hands. Push with your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch the lady. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hug. 1, 2, 3. Open. Roll her in. 6, 7, 8. Now it's a double turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk, walk. 7, 8. 1, 2. Change hands. 5, 6, 7. Next to you. Lean down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see that to music.